Before starting the process, I would like to tell you about a tool that is the TuneKit iPhone Unlocker. It's a tool that can help you to unlock any kind of iOS screen lock. If you have an iDevice and you forget the passcode of it, then you can try this tool. After the installation, just put your device into the DFU mode. Now the tool will ask you to download the latest software file. Now after that, click on the Start Unlock button and wait patiently to get it complete. Now once the process is done, you just need to set up your device again, and that's all. So if you want to try it, just check out the description link for the complete information. Alright, now let's proceed for today's topic. So in today's video, I will show you how you can fix this unable to activate screen, or I can say the broken baseband bypass on your Windows machine. Last time on my channel, I've made a video on the broken baseband bypass on the macOS, but for the Windows user, and then you guys are requesting me to make the separate video, so I will show you exactly how you can do that on your Windows machine with the Windows application and Jailbreak also. So let me just go to my computer screen and start this process. Now first step, you need to run the latest Checkra1n 0.12.4 on your Windows machine. If you don't know how to run the Checkra1n on your Windows machine, just check out the description link for the dedicated video on the Checkra1n. Now first connect your device. Now after that, you will see your device is not supported if you are running on iOS 14.8 and lower. Now go to the option, select the first option. Now click on Start. And this process only support by iPhone 5s to iPhone X, iOS 12 to the 14.8.1, and for the iOS 15 there is no jailbreak currently, so this method will not work if you are on iOS 15. Alright, now the jailbreak is completed. Now go to your Windows machine again to run the unable to activate or broken baseband fix tool. You will get this link from the description blog link. You just go there and download the tool for free. After that, just open the tool. Now connect your device. Now first you need to register your device in the server. So just copy the serial number from the tool. Now you need to contact me with this serial number. You can paste it somewhere else. After that, go to my blog or go to my any social media account like Telegram, Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, and just message me with your serial number and I will register your device in the server instantly. So after the registration, you just need to reconnect your device. After that, simply click on the broken baseband bypass and now wait for it to get complete. Your device might restart several times, so do not disconnect it. And in the middle of the process, tool will remind you to trust your device, so just open your device and click on trust and then it will proceed. Now it's completed, just click on OK. Now open your device, connect with the Wi-Fi and try to reactivate again, and this time you won't see the unable to activate screen and you will directly proceed to the device setup. So simply set up your device and make sure that do not add the passcode or touch ID in the setup screen or after the device unlock. Otherwise this method will not go in the untethered way. So normally use this device and you can restart and reboot without relocking. So that's how you can use this tool and easily fix the unable to activate screen. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.